You'll get over it. I seem to recall you prefer to work alone. Whoa! Or what? That sounds real dark for you. Go ahead. Show me. I knew you couldn't do it. Even when you have nothing to use. You're weak. And I have outgrown you.